Hi, today we're at Kew looking at plants once more. Now, you can tell it's spring because all these daffodils are coming out, but now we're going somewhere where there are no seasons at all. Right here, over there just behind me is the Kew Garden glass house. Inside it is designed to represent the tropical rainforest, which is where we are going today. Come on. Right, here we are inside the palm house, as it's called. Now I'm taking my coat off because in the tropical rainforest it is absolutely boiling.
Oh, okay.
If you're in the tropical Amazon rainforests, or in the Americas anywhere really, then you would find plants like this. South America contains the world's biggest rainforest, known as the Amazon rainforest. If you were in the jungles of Indonesia, then this plant over here is normally used for making rope bridges, furniture, baskets and such like by the local people that live in the rainforest. Do you have pepper on your food? Well, if you do, then you'll now know that it comes from this plant known as black pepper.
Pieces of leaves and leaves.
Right, this plant has the mango growing on it, which I'm sure most of you like. Now the mango grows out of the flowers, just in case any of you think it was the leaves. Right, this is, over here, is the giant bamboo plant. Now you'll be surprised to know that it can grow as tall as me in just 14 days. Right up these steps is the Kew Gardens replica of the canopy, which is where we're going now. Here we are in the canopy, at least the canopy is what experts call it. You might as well call it the big hole in the rainforest layers. Most of the rainforest animals and plants live in the canopy, of the animals it includes monkeys and such like. Right, that's the end of our rainforest talk today, so from now it's down and